So guys, you want to enable TPM 2.0. To do that, you need to go into your BIOS. If you're using an AMD CPU, you want to enable FTPM. If you're using an Intel CPU, you want to enable PTT. Now to go into your BIOS, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. It's now going to restart your computer, just wait for this. And now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. Which will now take us into our BIOS. If you're using an AMD CPU, you want to enable FTPM. If you're using an Intel CPU, you want to enable PTT. We're all using different motherboards, so the steps might look a bit different, but it's still going to be quite similar. So for me personally, I need to go to the peripherals tab, and I've got AMD CPU FTPM right here. I already have it enabled. So yeah, you want to just enable that. Again, AMD CPU FTPM, Intel CPU PTT. You want to enable that for your BIOS. Once you do that, you want to save and exit setup. Click on yes to go back into Windows, and TPM 2.0 will now be enabled.